Today I'm going to show off properly setting up our Minecraft directory from the .app data folder to a different drive on our computer, just a different storage device so we can get it off of the C drive. Before we start, I'm going to show an example of why this might be necessary. So here I have two versions of Minecraft. One is very much new and one is very much old. I'm just going to hit play on the newest one, Minecraft 1.21.1. Just for reference, these are both installed in the exact same place like they would be in the .minecraft folder if you just made this installation and didn't alter anything else. We go to launch something older like 1.4.7 for example, and we just hit play. We're going to get quite the abrupt crashing message, and there it is. Doesn't really matter what it means. This has been an issue for years, and you know, we found solutions by deleting the options.txt file, but of course that file is in-game settings and options and stuff like that. So what I like to do is just go to my games directory. I have one just for this tutorial here. I'm just going to start by making one called 1.21.1 custom install and another one called 1.4.7 custom install. Then we just choose which one we want to set up first. I'm going to set up the 1.21.1 setup first. So I'm just going to copy this directory, and I just did that by clicking up here. We can actually just do this with the two examples that we had earlier by going into the three dots here and then hitting edit. And then right here where it says game directory, since we, have a copy, we can just select all of this and then hit paste and then hit save. And if we hit launch right here, you'll quickly start seeing this folder populate.
Press enter to enable.
And of course, it's going to have nothing. But what you could do is copy your options.txt, copy your resource packs and your screenshots or whatever from the .minecraft folder over to your custom installations, and you could just keep doing this if you just keep making copies of it. We're gonna set up the other one now, so we can go to 1.4.7, copy the directory, three dots, edit, select the game directory, it's right here, and then paste, hit save, and then hit play. This time we're not going to get a crash message because it's in a totally different folder. The files aren't conflicting with each other anymore. And you can tell this is it's Minecraft. It's 1.4. Oh my god, I spawned in a jungle. This is definitely 1.4. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, oh, there we go. This is just really useful to have in case your C drive gets messed up or anything. Anytime you want to play like a new version of the game, you can just, hit new installation, name it anything, select the version, and then, paste a new directory, make a new folder in here. It might be tedious for some, but for a lot of people, for people who want to keep their stuff organized, like me, for example, like my actual Minecraft directory is fairly organized. Yeah. I have a lot of different versions in here, and they all have their own different sets of screenshots. They all have their own different options, and this is really good for setting up mods as well. So you don't have to, they don't have to be all in one specific folder, and you don't have to lose all of your mods and all that. I hope this was helpful to you. Sorry if this was a little bit all over the place. Let me know if you guys have any questions by leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and check out some of my other ones. That's it. See ya.